Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download files from Gumroad. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type Gumroad Discovery and press Enter. From the search results, click on the second icon that says Discover. This will take you directly to the Gumroad Discovery page. Now, once you're on the Gumroad website, scroll down a little bit and you'll see different filters that allow you to search for products. What we're interested in here is the price filter. Tap on Price and then set the minimum price to 0 and also set the maximum price to 0. By doing this, you'll filter out all the paid products and only see the files that are available for free. On the right side of the screen, you'll now see a list of files that are completely free to download. For example, here you can see Mac Whisper is available. Tap on that file to open its page. When you're on the product page, scroll down and you'll see an option to download the free version. Tap on the button that says Mac Whisper Free. After that, Gumroad will ask if you'd like to leave a tip for the creator. Since we want it completely free, I'll just type 0 in the tip box. Then tap on the button that says Get. As soon as you do this, the process will start. Gumroad will prepare your download, and then you'll see the option that says Download Mac Whisper. Tap on that and the file will start downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds or minutes. Once the download is finished, go to your PC's download folder and you'll see the file saved there, ready for you to use. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded a free Gumroad file. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tutorials just like this one.